Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to replace the cell phone battery in your Pixel 2 by Google using the kit from NewFix, who provide batteries and other replacement items to help rejuvenate your phone and help it to be new again, as the name suggests. Now, it's very important when using this kit to utilize these special pry bars in here that are designed not to damage your phone. Otherwise, you could accidentally scratch the delicate screen. What I found with these is that they tended to be just a little bit soft on the ends. They didn't quite hook underneath properly. So I decided to use my own tool after playing with this for quite a long time and not being able to get anywhere with it. And I found a way better solution to help renew my phone. And I use this. Now, when using this device, make sure, could you just hold this for me for one moment so I can show the listeners what to do? It's very, very important not to lift up or pry on this the wrong way. Otherwise, you could cause some problems. But if you do this very gently, there we are. You'll find that the NewFix battery system works extremely well. You know? And oh, did I open the wrong side of the phone? I'm not too sure. But anyways, I found these tools by NewFix to be very helpful. And I highly recommend this kit because it really helped me save money. And there was no frustration. And the repair went just seamlessly in just moments. So thank you, and I hope that you find this helpful. And if you did, just click subscribe or whatever. Click subscribe to my video, and I'll be glad to help you with some new ones. I'm just going to work in the background here. I suggest that if you're doing this, that you pay attention to what you're doing, because it is quite a delicate operation, and you have to ensure that you don't upset any of the delicate componentry inside your telephone. You can see here that I'm gently lifting up the motherboard to expose the ribbon cables underneath. And as you'll find in the extensive NewFix literature, that these elements here can be easily removed using the NewFix kit. There we are. Now gently lift off the ribbon cable. Okay. Oh, this little piece here, sometimes it comes off before you really expect it to. Just make sure that you carefully locate all of the other parts. See, the screw is easy to find. It's right here, see? And you can just, that screw, I'll just show you here in case you didn't see, that screw goes back in here. This screw goes back in here. So again, it's the kit by NewFix. Highly recommended, 5 stars. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe. And we'll see you next time.